Hey guys, what is going on? I hope you're all doing well, and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can cancel your order on Klarna, so let's get right into it. As you can see here, I have opened the Klarna official website and its customer service forum. I guess you could call it a forum. And here are the exact instructions on how to cancel the order. I cannot actually show you on an example since my country doesn't have support for Klarna. It is not available in my region, so you'll have to bear with me. However, Klarna is a sort of middleman kind of crediting application. It is a fintech application, financial tech, and it basically uses it's used to, as I've said, be a middleman between you and marketplaces, online marketplaces specifically, where you can buy things that you find interesting and pay through financing through Klarna, where you can make several either monthly or bi-weekly or weekly payments through a virtual card. And it basically just allows you to take out credit on clothes and things like that you can buy on online stores which support Klarna. It basically functions the exact same as the American credit score system as well, so if you're American, it probably looks familiar. However, yeah, to cancel the order, you will need to call the provider or slash merchant or store which you ordered from directly, since Klarna does not deal in logistics. As a payment provider, they don't give information or contact information about anything, and you'll need to contact your provider, your merchant who you ordered from, to cancel the order themselves, and then Klarna can just delete your debt mainly. But yeah, that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys next time.